everyone, my name is Macy and my training number is BG2010136. Today our group will present about the enterprise resource planning system within the Perbadanan Labuan. They have several components of application that we have identified, which include transaction processing system TPS, customer relationship management CRM, management information system MIS, knowledge management system KMS, decision support system DSS, and executive support system ESS that has made it work in the whole organization management. Moreover, through this report, we have defined the significant benefit of proposing ERP system through departments such as seamless integration and real-time data flow, improved operational efficiency, enhanced decision making with MIS and ESS, a better public service through CRM, and the last one, improved data security and access control. The enterprise resource planning, also can call ERP. ERP systems are the kind of software tools that are used to manage the data of an enterprise. It helps different organizations deal with different departments of enterprise. In addition, a complete ERP also includes enterprise performance management (EPM) software, which support budgeting, planning, reporting, and forecast. It incorporates with EPM software to enhance financial and organizational decision making. With an organizational structure, ERP system act as transformation technology of an organization to manage data access Labuan department such as accounting, human resource, finance, and more of the supply chain. Furthermore, ERP system also support various types of information system to support each department and each own function. By integrating with this system, ERP ensure efficient workflow and improve organizational performance.
Hello everyone, my name is Femi Bong Yishan, matrix number BG223110083 from International Marketing. I will be presenting on the part of identifying and explain enterprising application used with Perbadanan Labuan based on its organizational chart. Enterprise applications are powerful systems designed to manage core organizational function, streamline process, and support data-driven decision-making. In Perbadanan Labuan, 5 essential enterprise applications have been identified. They are Transaction Process System (TPS), Management Information System (MIS), Customer Relationship Management (CRM), Knowledge Management System (KMS), and Executive Support System (ESS). The first enterprise application that has been identified from Perbadanan Labuan is the Transaction Processing System, which also can be known as TPS. TPS is a computerized system that handles all business transactions by gathering, storing, modifying, and retrieving data. TPS is the foundation for daily operation in Perbadanan Labuan. It ensures data accuracy and compliance and operation of efficient through 4 main functions. The first function is data management, which managing inputs like bill, invoice, and order. The second one is transaction processing, which in real-time or batch mode depend on urgency. And the third one is automation, which completing tasks like fee calculation or payroll without human error. And the last one is output and reporting, which generating receipt, approves, and audit records. For example, in Jabatan Pedesaan, TPS automates the license application process. In Jabatan Keuangan, it processes claims and payments. And in human resource, it handles payroll and leave. This reduces errors and saves time and improves transparency. The second enterprise application used in Perbadanan Labuan is the Management Information System, or we can known as MIS. MIS is a complete system that includes people, hardware, software, data, and business process. It helps the organization collect, store, and analyze data to support better planning, control, and decision making. MIS works by gathering data from daily operations such as transaction and or employee activity and transforming it into useful reports. This can be monthly budget summarized, attendance record, or trip analysis, all of which help manager make informed decision. For example, in Jabatan Keuangan, MIS is used to analyze budget usage and financial performance. In Jabatan Pengurusan Sumber Manusia, it tracks employee attendance, leave, and perform an evaluation. Overall, MIS plays a better role by turning raw data into strategic insight, helping every department manage resource more efficient and make smarter data-driven decisions. The third enterprise application is the Customer Relationship Management System, which also can be known as CRM. CRM is used to manage all interaction between the organizational and its current or potential customer. It integrates contact details, service history, and customer preference, enabling staff to deliver faster and more personalized service. There are 3 types of CRM. The first one is operational CRM, which automates daily customer interaction like emails or service tickets. The second one is analytical CRM, which analyzes customers' data to personalize services. The last one is collaborative CRM, which share customer into across departments for better coordination. At Perbadanan Labuan, CRM helps departments like licensing to track application and respond to inquiries, and administration to resolve citizen complaints more efficiently. CRM strengthens public trust and promotes a citizen-centric service approach. Fourth, we have the knowledge management system, which can be known as KMS. A KMS is an IT system that manages content, search, guidance, and insight to support operation in areas like human resource, customer service, and training. KMS is built on six components. The first one is people who share and apply knowledge. Second, content, which like SOPs, training materials, and report. Third, governance, which to ensure accuracy, security, and compliance. The fourth is process, which used to capture, distribute, and reuse knowledge. The fifth is technology, which used such as AI search or collaboration tools. The last one is about strategy, which used to align knowledge goals with business goals. In Perbadanan Labuan, KNL support learning and collaboration. For instance, legal and admin department upload procedures and policy document. The human resource store training materials, and tourism shares post-event report to help others departments learn and improve. KMS ensure available knowledge is captured, reused, and shared across the organization. The last enterprise application is the Exclusive Support System (ESS). ESS is a specialized type of MIS that supports strategic decision-making for top executives. It offers real-time access to internal and external data and includes tools like performance dashboard, alert when KPIs fall outside limits, scenario analysis for forecasting, and easy-to-read visualization. In Perbadanan Labuan, ESS allows managers to monitor budget usage, tourism performance, or audit results, plan strategy using threat analysis and forecast, and compare policy options. And lastly is coordinate decision between departments like finance, tourism, and human resources. With ESS, the COO and department heads can quickly identify problems and adjust strategy based on real-time data. As a small conclude for these 5 enterprise applications, they are not isolated tools but integrated systems that help Perbadanan Labuan manage operations, serve citizens, and achieve strategic goals. From processing transaction to inform executive decision, each system plays a specific role in enhancing public service delivery and governance. That's all from me, and I will pass the baton to next presenter in our group.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be exploring the comparison of 5 enterprise applications used in Labuan Organizational Framework. Enterprise applications are software platforms designed to integrate and automate business process across an organization. They serve different levels of management to ensure efficiency, data-driven decisions, and long-term growth. In Labuan, these systems are tailored to meet the unique needs of government departments to ensure compliance, service delivery, and knowledge retention. For primary function, TPS manages and automates routine, repetitive business transactions such as payroll and licensing. It operates at the core of daily operations, while MIS transforms raw transactional data into meaningful insights like reports and summaries. It supports tactical decision by middle management. In CRM, it focuses on external-facing process to manage citizen and stakeholders' relationship. KMS handles internal knowledge like SOPs, training materials, legal guidelines, and ensuring knowledge retention and sharing, while ESS supports strategic level plannings for top executives and provides dashboards, alerts, and forecasting tools. For users, TPS is used by operational staff for day-to-day tasks like data entry, payment processing, and record management. MIS utilized by middle manager and department heads for performance monitoring, compliance tracking, and forecasting, while CRM employed by sales, marketing, and customer service team to manage citizen interaction and public engagement. Furthermore, KMS accessed by all employees, especially HR and training teams, for creating, sharing, and retrieving organizational knowledge. Lastly, ESS designed for senior executive and top management to support strategic planning, KPI monitoring, and high-level decision-making. For data processing, TPS handles real-time and batch processing of large volumes of routine transactions to ensure speed and reliability. MIS uses analytical processing to aggregate data and generate structured reports for managerial use, while CRM processes real-time and historical data to track and analyze citizen interactions, improving service delivery. KMS manages evolving reference data, capturing and updating institutional knowledge like SOPs and training materials. Ultimately, ESS integrates internal and external data for high-level strategic processing, including simulations and scenario analysis. Next, for decision-making,
TPS supports highly structured, routine decisions at the operational level, such as approving license or processing payments. MIS aids semi-structured, tactical decisions like resource allocation or performance improvements through interpreted data. And for CRM, it assists operational and managerial staff in making customer-oriented decisions based on interaction data, while KMS facilitates unstructured decision by providing contextual knowledge and insights, and ESS empowers executives to make high-impact, long-term strategic decisions using data-driven tools. The departments involved in each system for TPS are finance, human resources, and licensing. For MIS, it's used by finance, audit, and cultural departments for reporting and complaints, while CRM engage licensing, tourism, and customer service teams. In KMS, it's managed by legal and HR departments for knowledge retention. ESS utilized by top executives and department heads for strategic alignment. In category of strategic impact, TPS ensures operational efficiency, compliance, and reduce manual workload. MIS enhance data-driven decision-making and policy refinement, while CRM improves citizen satisfaction and strengthens public trust. KMS promotes innovation, knowledge retention, and interdepartmental collaboration. Additionally, ESS aligns organizational goals with executive insights, supporting long-term strategy and rapid policy responses. For technology emphasis, TPS relies on real-time and batch processing for automation, while MIS use data aggregation and reporting tools. CRM focus on customer data integration and analytics. KMS employs content management and collaboration tools, while ESS feature data visualization, predictive analytics, and strategic dashboards. Thus, I'll be introducing some output examples for each system. In TPS, there are receipts, approval notice, and payroll records. For MIS are monthly reports, exception analysis, and forecast. In CRM, there are customer profiles, service history, and marketing insight. KMS make SOPs, training modules, collaborative reports, and last, ESS are real-time dashboards, alerts, and scenario analysis. In summary, these enterprise applications are integral to Jabon's operation, each serving unique functions and users. From TPS transactional efficiency to ESS strategic foresight, they collectively enhance organizational performance and citizen satisfaction. Thank you.
My name is Liz Velosalilajor, and I will be explaining our proposed enterprise resource planning ERP architecture design for Perbadanan Labuan as illustrated in Figure 1. This architecture is built around the integration of 5 core enterprise applications that we have identified in our report, which are Transaction Processing System (TPS), Customer Relationship Management (CRM), Management Information System (MIS), Knowledge Management System (KMS), and the last one is Executive Support System (ESS). This application are layered into 4 key levels that represent the flow of data from operational transaction to executive level decision making. Starting with level 1, we have the Transaction Processing System (TPS) and Customer Relationship (CRM) system. TPS is used across departments such as Jabatan Pelayanan, Jabatan Keuangan, and Jabatan Sumber Manusia to manage day-to-day operation. This includes tasks like license approval, payroll processing, leave management, and staff claim. It processes data in real life or batch modes and ensures accuracy and efficiency in repetitive administrative tasks. CRM, on the other hand, play a critical role in improving public service. It helps departments like Jabatan Pelancongan, Jabatan Khidmat Pengurusan, and Jabatan Pelayanan manage citizen interaction. It includes handling complaints, feedback, inquiries, and even campaign outreach or promotion. Next, in level 2, we have the Management Information System (MIS). MIS collects structured data from TPS and CRM, aggregates it, and provides reports to middle management and department heads. It generates monthly reports, performance summaries, and forecasts. For example, Jabatan Keuangan use MIS for budget tracking, and Jabatan Audit Dalam use it to detect anomalies or potential compliance issues. This layer helps bridge the gap between raw data and informed managerial planning.
At level 3, we introduce the Knowledge Department System. This system is likely a centralized knowledge library for the entire organization or department. This system stores like SOP, policy document, legal reference, and training module, even operational insight. Departments such as Jabatan Undang-Undang, Jabatan Pentadbiran, dan Jabatan Pengurusan Sumber Manusia depend on this system to make sure everyone is referring to the same and accurate information. It also plays a key role onboarding new employee, preserving the experience of senior staff, and helping different departments to work together more smoothly and more consistent data. At level 4, we have Executive Support System or ESS. This system is designed for top-level decision makers like CEO and department heads. It provides visual data, real-life simulation, insight, and scenario simulation. These things will help the CEO and department heads to make a support strategic planning. For example, if they drop in tourism performance, executive can use ESS to quick analyze historical data and evaluate what past campaign work and stimulate new strategy before taking action. The system brings together both internal data from finance, HR, and tourism, and external source like national statistics and or market trend. So to summarize this ERP architecture, from daily operation all the way to executive planning is built to make Perbanan Labuan more digital, efficient, and responsive. With consistent data, centralized knowledge, and strategic tools, the system supports better decision-making and smoother collaboration across all departments. This structure also aligns with the real responsibility outlined in the organization chart, ensuring that the system fits both function and purpose.
My name is Deoshan, and now I need to talk about the overview of ERP architecture. Our ERP architecture integrates 5 additional enterprise applications, such as transaction processing system, management information system, customer relationship management, knowledge management system, and executive support system. These systems work together to form a centralized and connected digital infrastructure. This integration ensures that data flows smoothly across departments and functions. It supports key organization growth by improving operational efficiency, data consistency, informed decision making. The first point is seamless integration and real-time data flow. ERP connects different departments into a unified system that eliminates communication gaps. Example, if the HR department updates an employee's roles in the system, the finance department immediately sees the updates and adjusts the payroll accordingly. Real-time synchronization across TPS, MIS, and ESS ensure everyone works with the same architectural data. This integration eliminates redundant data entry, speeds up service delivery, and avoids miscommunication between teams. The second point is improve operational efficiency. ERP helps automate routine and repetitive tasks such as payroll processing, leave application, listening, and service requests. By using the transaction processing system, these activities are processed automatically without the need for manual handling. This reduces the chance of human error and saves time for employees to focus on more strategic responsibility. Standardized produce across departments improve overall consistency in operation.
My name is Siti Shakira Zainal, and I will talk about overview of ERP architecture. We highlight how ERP architecture improves decision-making across the organization. The Management Information System, or MIS, compiles transaction data into organized report and performance summary. These reports are then used by the Executive Support System, or ESS, which visualize high-level dashboard and KPIs. This combination empowers manager and executive to make evidence-based strategic decisions that reflect real-time trends and performance metrics better public service through CRM. Then the Customer Relationship Management System play a key role in enhancing public service delivery. CRM helps track every interaction with citizens from complaint to service requests and creating a complete and also accessibility citizen profile. This leads to quicker and more accurate response, increasing public satisfaction and building trust in government service. Lastly, we focus on data security. ERP system implement role-based access control so only authorized personnel can view or edit sensitive data. Additionally, data is encrypted and stored securely
to protect against breach or tampering. These safeguards are crucial in ensuring data integrity and compliance with internal policy and regulatory standards.
In conclusion, this report shows that the implementation of an integrated ERP architecture presents a transformative opportunity for Perbadanan Labuan to enhance its operational efficiency. By combining key systems can streamline workflow, eliminate data, and foster real-time collaborations across departments. In the end, ERP systems help provide more efficient and transparent service. With advancement in AI and machine learning, the future of ERP automation looks even more promising. Thank you.